time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right now in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. First of all, I will be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame, and of course, if there is need for me to go to higher time frame, I will let you know. Okay, and of course, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so now let's go straight into it right away. So this is GainX 1200, and on 15-minute time frame, like I said earlier. So just the way you are saying this, this might look rough. Probably not having a definite shape. Okay, and the reason is the movements have been within this channel. It has been within this channel, and I'm going to give you a clearer picture of what we are seeing right now. I told us in the morning that this is how it will be moving up and down within this channel, except if there is a breakout either above it or below it. That is when we will have a good direction. But for now, it is moving in between the channel. If it comes down and it will go back up, all these happen in between the channel. So now let's see. um this is how it looks. You can see it was on downtrend before for a very long time, and for like 2 days now it has been moving in between this channel. So you can see that is why I had to highlight the channels out. Okay, so all you just need to do, if you want to milk this, you just move within the channel. If it is getting to the lower part of the channel, you close it and buy again. If it is getting to the upper part of the channel, you close it, then you buy, you sell again, and you continue like that till there is a clear breakout. Okay, so that is the way you trade this kind of trend. Okay, so this is still moving in between the channel. So we are hoping that there will be a breakout somewhere. If it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. I am hoping that it's going to break out above it, because we have a lot to milk at the top right here. Okay, so we are still waiting until that happens. Okay, so I'm just going to put breakouts. We need to wait for the breakouts. Okay, because there is no clear movement at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame. This is GainX 999, and of course this also played around there for a while, but it's picked up our signal at this point. Achieve our first TP, second TP. So we are waiting for the rest of the TPs. And of course, because of this little resistance zone, it is pulling back at the moment. We don't know how far it will go. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay. So this is selling for a while because of the pullback. Okay, it might not be for a very long time. Once the pullback is over, it will continue with the buy trend. So we should take note of that. So the next asset is going to be PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200. This had been on downtrend for long, and I said if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. As you can see, it broke out below it and it sold for a very long time. It has gotten to this support zone, which is another support zone. Now let's see what is going to happen there. So I'm going to move this down here. Okay, so guys, if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch back fully into an uptrend, and that is what we are hoping for. Okay, so for now, it is selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, and then by then it's going to give us the clear signal of what is going to happen. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. I actually love these guys. Paynex 999, and of course, I dropped a signal on this, and it's picked up one or two TPs, and of course, got to this region, had a pullback, and came back down again. Now it has gotten up again. Okay, so right now we have 3 points at the resistance zone. Okay, so if it is not breaking out from this resistance zone, then it will switch into a downtrend, and I expect it to sell till it gets to this region. Okay, so we are waiting for that to happen. However, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. So we should be careful. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. It is buying at the moment, even though we don't expect it to buy for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and this had been on uptrend, but till it got to this region. Okay, I also dropped this signal, and it gave us some good profits before pulling back. Okay, so it is still trying to buy again. So this is still very much on uptrend, so it is buying. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity than selling opportunity right there. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real life. Love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family.